I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
The claim to fame for this 1929 relay is its patented relay drive system on the rear axle. Relay claims superior traction, and this truck would go where others would not. This is a chain drive truck, and the weight is carried by a separate tube and axle. The drive part is below, and there are gears on the outside below the wheels, instead of a regular differential. It was very unusual, but it was an idea that also never caught on. There are lots of reasons why truck brands fail. Relay was more expensive than a regular truck. You would have to find a dealer because parts were not available anywhere else. They could have failed for lack of financing as well, just like a lot of truck companies did. There is no indication that truck buyers really worried about appearance of a truck back then, but maybe they were poor performers that didn't last. Sometimes having something really unique was not the best thing.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button